Hi, everyone. This is Dave from Vanderbilt Area Schools. I want to thank the community, parents, staff, everyone who completed the survey that we did. That was great feedback and information. I also want to thank everyone for coming to the workshop we had last night, October 15th. We had a great discussion about what is going really good here at Vanderbilt and things that we'd like to improve upon. Families really like the small atmosphere we have here, and feedback came that they value the strong academics, reading and math, and like to see more science, a part-time science teacher at least. So we're going to be looking into that. We also heard that through the surveys and discussion, a lot of talk about career and vocational training. So we're also going to be looking at that. And we have the CTE millage that is coming up November 4th. So that ties into that too. What we're going to be doing next, we're going to be having a student survey with the middle school and high school students to see what things they are looking forward to. So, a lot of cool, exciting things going on at Vanderbilt. We are looking forward to the future here at Vanderbilt. Our next steps then, we're going to have our board workshop December 3rd, and public is welcome to come there too. So I'm excited about the opportunities and changes we have here at Vanderbilt, and thank you very much.